little place called Bard Creek. Check this out for a campsite. Mate, we're totally living the dream sitting down here for a week or so. Just fishing,
Holy crap!
and crabbing, and taking in the views. It's in the northern part of Western Australia.
We are literally surrounded with whales today. It's epic.
At the right time of year. And this place becomes a whale superhighway. They come right on over to you. They're as curious about us as we are about them. We're camping and fishing just north of Broome.
Wow!
It took me ages the first few nights we were there to try to figure out why does it sound like there's a car door shutting in the morning. And one of the cool things about camping at the beaches is they got plenty of time to explore all the rock pools that are around the area. And check out this cool little nudie branch up here, just swimming around. Hey, camping like this isn't without its challenges though. A little further north, up the Dampier Peninsula.
Hang on.
Sunrise. Monkey caught. Come on.
Okay guys, I got it. Emery done it! I don't know why we're laughing. Holy shit!
Nobody was injured. I'll show you a lot more in the second part of this two-part series. This is the first little camp spot here, just north of Broome. Wow, what a cracking piece of coastline this is.
Rescue number 2. Hey, put him out in the waters.
The Kimberley region of Australia is renowned for some of the world's largest tides. And with these large tidal movements, a few of the stragglers, well, they get left high and dry.
There you go, mate.
And there's plenty of things to do at this campsite. Fishing and crabbing, it's pretty good. You can practice throwing your lures into trees as well, if that's your thing.
What was that?
Oh, just look at the mudcrabs sitting right there.
Is there really?
Oh my god, yeah, fuck, how do we get
We do release most of these catches, but on occasions we do eat them and they're all humanely dealt with.
Lift him up, mate. Oh, Seb, look at you. Get him up. It's a bit Trevally, mate. Hold him there, Seb. Bring him over to the boat. Oh! There
Holy
we go.
crap! What? What the heck?
So we had a triple hookup, 2 lines, we lost both lures, and then you brought in that monster.
Holy crap!
And today, living in the Kimberley wild caught bludger trevally. When you're out driving around, keep your eyes peeled, guys. Here's a little Kimberley blue-tongued lizard, a little northern skink. And this part of the Kimberley region is one of the world's last great wilderness areas. Stay with us, guys, as we show you a few of the things we get up to in the Dampier Peninsula, which is in the Kimberley region of Western Australia.
How do you feel?
Probably the luckiest person on earth.
Seb and Caro, our German friends, were making the most of Northern Australia.
world's biggest mudcrab. Oh, look at those feathers.
A little further on, see the full cook up. This sort of shenanigans is easily spotted from your campsite as the whales travel up and down this coastline to their breeding grounds. And we're nestled up in the dune system, right back from the high tide mark. Check this out for a campsite. Mate, we're totally living the dream sitting down here for a week or so, just fishing and crabbing and taking in the views.
Confronted in a strong tackle of Martin, but he keeps the ball alive now. And Munster, that's some second phase football, links up with the hammer. Tammy White-Beddoe, who has scored a try in all of his origin appearances for Queensland.
Let's not talk about the war.
Yeah, so I'm just out doing a spot of fishing today. Oh, shit. What have we got? We're on. You never know what you're going to catch when you're land cruiser fishing, mate.
Morning is with me and evening is with me.
Now, this is probably an example of too much sun, and if you feel the need to, just fast forward this bit.
Look at that.
My head's made of rabbit,
Shit, yeah, we'll be for dinner tonight.
At one point in time, this whole 60 series, she failed to make a crossing.
So we've left the land cruiser for a little bit. As you can see, she's parked up over there. And we're basically trying to catch a little bit of crab pot bait. Oh, hey, we've got something on. We definitely got some crab pot bait. We'll probably need at least two. Bloody good. Oh, look at him. It's important when you're out crab pot baiting that you catch good bait. These are probably pretty good bait. You want them to be just looking like this. Ultimately, that's your best looking crab pot bait, I'd say. Mangrove jack and cod. Mud crabs for tea. So what's going on?
Oh, look at those feathers.
Yeah. Who's going to pick it up? It's important when you're out crab pot bait that you catch good bait.
Later on that same night. And now time for a mud crab cook-up.
Alright, we're going to do crab tonight. So what we've got is a little bed of coals here. We don't want a lot of fire beside him. Just going to make a little bit of hot coals. Move the fire away. We're going to go for about...
Western Australia laws differ from the Northern Territory laws for mud crabbing. We've got these guys in dilly pots. We'll cook this guy for
11 minutes, I'd say.
Rest assured, the crab's humanely dealt with before cooking.
We're going to turn him upside down so he cooks in his juices. Nothing more than a bed of coals. That's it. The other guy we're going to do in the salt water from the ocean he was caught in. Just another little fella. Into the pot he goes. Right, that's him. That's him done. Nice big fella. Coal-fired crab. Look at him there, eh? He's gonna be a beauty. Come out a treat. Hey, he's up for a lollipop. Oh, so good. Camera girl. Alrighty.
Crab number 2.
That's him. We'll take him off the fire here. Oh yeah, he's gonna be right. Let's get a pair of tongs. Take a moment and thank the sponsor, Tuny Engineering, for these welding gloves. How good. Oh well. Old Mitchy Mudcrab strikes again.
Big claws for gripping,
Boy.
small claws for cutting.
Yum.
The whales are super inquisitive and they just swim towards you no matter where you are. Without any fear, they're just as curious about us as we are of them.
Where's Mama? Yeah. Don't upset Mama. Yeah, he looks cool. There's a jack, but it's unfortunately had to be saved.
Very, very tasty.
It's all good. Fish of the day was mud crab, I reckon.
Yeah. I was so friggin' stoked to finally catch a jack.
He was on your radar,
Good
mate.
old camp cook-up.
And today, living in the Kimberley, wild caught bloods of trevally. And we're going to go from pancake crumb to tan.
Fresh caught fish sure does taste good.
Tell ya, good stuff.
Hey, we're just everyday, normal people, out and about. Hopefully the content we're bringing to you is what you'd like to see. Do appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you on the next episode of the Dampier Peninsula. It should be released in about a week's time. Once again, guys, thanks very much. And these majestic trees, they always amaze me. The iconic boab tree. Thanks for watching.